Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening whenever you're watching this. So come with me for this quite amazing experience I had training these amazing, beautiful women and some teenagers as well at somewhere in Badore, Ajah. It's called Badore Fishing Community. It's inside Ajah, like it's kind of like a rural area. It's at the ending of Ajah in Lagos. So the training is actually free. I got the job from an NGO, and they decided to impact the lives of these women by teaching them skills on how to do different kinds of pastries, so they can make money from a skill like this. The name of the NGO is called UC Care for All. You know how the economy is right now in Nigeria and even the whole world at large. It is really important for each and every one of us to have a skill. Having a skill is important, not just for women, for everybody. It is important to have a skill that you can make money from. You can have your business, even if you're a 9-to-5er. It doesn't matter. Just have a skill, something you can do with your hands. So that's why I was really excited when I was contacted by this NGO, because one thing I like to do is actually to impact in the lives of others. So getting this kind of service for free in this kind of area is actually really amazing.
Do you understand? I'm trying to tell you that you can start from anywhere. You don't have to use any other person's standard. You don't go use another person's standard and say, I'm rating this one here. I must buy this one from here. Thank you, everybody.
I really give this NGO accolades for making these steps to impact these women this way. So it was a 3-day training. They learned how to make different pastries. They learned how to make coconut candy, chinchi, buns, egg roll, fish roll, donuts, name it. They learned a whole lot. And on the 3rd day of the training, I was just supervising and watching them do all that they've learned. And trust me, these women surprised me. Their works were perfect, and I use perfect without any reservation because they really tried. They did a good job. I taught them how to package their products to sell on small scale. I taught them the most important thing about this training, which is starting up something, no matter how small. Even if they are starting on a small scale, it doesn't matter, so that this skill will not go to waste. They could actually do anything with this skill. I didn't get to learn any of this skill for free. Like, I had to pay to learn everything I know. So I did let them know that this is a big deal, so it should not be taken for granted.
We used to be a small initiative, pastry empowerment, and their groups. We want to thank our class facilitator, which is Miss Charity, for our patience, and also for the impactful section we had during the time. We were able to learn various things. We learned how to make coconut pastry, coconut candy, plantain chips, chinchi, etc., etc. As you can see on the table, we have the right. But in our group, we were assigned to make chinchi. We have different designs here, just to make it colorful.
It sure was an amazing experience for me, getting to see this part of Lagos, getting to meet some of these wonderful women, see what is going on, see how they're living, just see a different way of life. and at the end of the day they got their certificates of participation. So I want to believe they will put this skill to use, just like I and every other person that's there advised. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. This is Sasharity, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.